Oh, sir, you don't know anything. It is wanted.
This evening you will die.
Yeah, come in.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Mr.
Jennifer.
Jennifer. I don't have good memories in remembering people's faces, but in your case, I remember you vividly. You came here previously that you're looking for a teaching position, and we told you have enough teachers already. We even went as far as giving you a test, which you scored 0/10.
And now it's 1/10, no. It's 1/10 I got, oh. The person that marked it did Ojolo. The number 2 question, I got it.
So 0 and 1, what's the difference?
1 na 1, 0 na 0.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this?
See, there's no vacancy. We have enough teachers already. And if we want one, not certainly you.
Why not? I can teach very well, oh. Teaching is my passion.
What do you know that you want to teach?
I know many things now.
Tell me one thing that you know.
I know my name is Jennifer.
And?
Oga Principal, it's not as if I don't want to say it, oh. It's a surprise. And when you have given me the work, I will tell you.
That's true, I know. I know you surprised me in front of the students, I know. Look at even the name you're bearing, Jennifer. That's a clear pointer that you should go into makeup and ladies' accessories. If possible, you go into fashion designing and the rest. How can you be answering Jennifer you want to be a teacher? Mr. Jennifer, I admire your consistency and hustle, but teaching position requires actual knowledge. Like basic mathematics. Do you even know 2 plus 2?
4.
And do you know that? Wow, that's interesting. So, 4 times 3?
Wait now. Shebi, you will not say 4 plus 4. It's one after the other now.
Okay, 4 plus 4.
I know it though.
Then say it.
My brain know the answer, but my mouth no fit to talk.
And you want to be a teacher. So what do you want to teach the students?
If you teach me, I will know it.
So we should teach the teacher that is supposed to teach the students?
Yes, sir.
Interesting. And you said you went to school?
Yes, sir.
And what did you study?
My book.
I know you studied your book, but what course?
I don't curse anybody, oh. And I did not offend anybody, so nobody also cursed me.
You get it?
I'm done here, so please, just leave this place.
Teaching is my passion. It's not even about the money. I will...
You don't know why it's going on.
I will give you something, out of my salary. If you give me the job.
But do you know that I'll be the one paying your salary?
Yes, sir.
So you want to pay me out of the money I pay you?
Yes, sir.
Jesus!
Gentlemen, even if you offer your services for free, we cannot hire you. We don't need you here. I was even thinking you're coming back to these places because you've given your application a good thought, and then you say, maybe you came for a gateman position or something. And even the gateman position, you need a basic mathematics to know at least the level at which you open the gate for a car to fit through. And you're still here talking about the teaching position.
I just want to teach, sir.
Even the primary class you're applying to do your so-called teaching, they will be the ones to teach you rather.
Please, sir. Please.
Mr. Jennifer, have you heard of this game?
Which game, sir?
First to touch the school gate gets 10k cash.
Oga, no play now.
Yeah, for real. Do you want to play?
Yes, now. But what if I lose?
You walk away. You just walk away like that without getting anything. So are you ready? Okay, on your mark, get set, go.
Oga, I no be small pikin. You want to send me out of your office? I be human being like you. I have family too. And that is why I need this job.
That is why you should know the kind of job that fits you. Not teaching. They say cut your coat according to your size. I don't know. This size is not yours now. I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay. Assume I'm a student. Impart knowledge in me. What are you doing?
Since there is no K, let me use this one if you give me a wrong answer. Okay. We are treating past participle.
Do you mean past participle?
Whatever. As far as you understand where I'm coming from, let's talk more about the topic. The past tense of went is what?
There's no past tense for went.
Oh, sir, you don't know anything. It is wented.
Get out of my office now.
Jesus. Blood of...
Sir, the future of the children are in my hand, oh. Let me help them.
Fool.
Sir, what about the 10K?
It will not be well with you, your papa. Jesus Christ.
We're not supposed to thank God, though.
I hope you enjoy that Rummy video. Please subscribe. Thank you. We love you. Bye.